Hey crafters, welcome to Craft Hits, and on today's episode we are going to be making some pumpkin earrings. I'm also, before this episode I probably uploaded the leaf earrings, so I just kind of wanted to continue that theme and just make things a little bit more interesting. So that's what's on today's agenda. And I do hope that you guys enjoy the rest of the episode. And if you do, I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button. And also feel free to let me know what other things you'd like to see me make in the comments below. I'm going to try to get to everything if I possibly can. So just let me know. Thank you. Alright, so it's been a few days and I managed to put the earring pieces on, as you can see here. So this is really good. I think I actually kind of like this design a little bit. I know my wife is going to like these too. So I think I did a pretty good job. I got the lines on both sides. So they got that classic pumpkin look. And I think this is a pretty easy project that anyone can do. So I really do hope that you guys have enjoyed this. If you have, please make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. And please feel free to let me know what other things you'd like to see me make in the future. And also, if you'd like to make your own projects, I'm going to go ahead and put everything linked in the description below with my Amazon affiliate links for everything that I have used here today. But as always, I hope you all have a wonderful day.